Hello! Today is my second check-up dito sa may Surrey Mama Midwifery, dyan yung building. Dito ako nag-park kasi dito yung free. Malapit siya sa may Surrey Memorial Hospital. Dito naman yung Surrey Memorial Hospital sa kabilang building. Ayan. I'm not as presentable or prepared as unlike my first visit sa Surrey Mama Midwifery. Kasi it's my off day, but I did a lot. Like, I did laundry, grocery, and I cooked before going here. So, I think amoy ulam pa yung buhok ko. Charot! So, I have this check-up after a month and 1 week. So, hopefully, okay siya. I did some blood work yesterday with my thyroid. And then, the second SIPS na tinatawag for, like, checking kung meron siyang abnormalities or something like that. I forgot what it's called. But so far, for my thyroid results, it says, I checked the result. It says, so far, I'm good. Normal naman siya. So, we'll see what will my midwife or whoever, or nurse practitioner will say today. Looking forward. So, yun lang. Medyo maaga ako. Lapit lang nito sa bahay namin.